I think one of the most valuable aspects of the upper school is actually the faculty and the staff. The faculty is absolutely outstanding. The way that they embrace the students, their subject matter, and encourage the kids to not just memorize and just learn for a test, but really embrace what they are being taught. My kids genuinely love their teachers. They know that their teachers respect them as well. And I think for a teenager, that's a huge deal. One of my sons sustained an athletic injury, and the number of teachers and staff that reach out to our family just to check on him, make sure he was okay, truly humbled my husband and I. It really meant a lot to us, it meant a lot to him. And I think that was above and beyond what I would have ever expected from any school. I believe as parents we all want the best for our children. And there is a difference at Randolph. And so I would encourage anyone to take the time, log in, hear from the administrators, hear from the staff, hear from the teachers, and see what that difference is here.